Hello everybody, I'd like to show you my 1958 classic Browning SA-22. This is a perfect condition, engraved receiver, bottom ejector, has the wheeled rear sight and the brass bead front sight. It has the ammo port on the stock and the magazine tube. This has a beautiful walnut high gloss finish, knurled forearm, one screw on the forearm. This gun is made in Belgium. It's stated on the barrel. Purchased in 1958 for $80.37. I have the receipt. These are beautiful guns. They're 5 pounds, 2 ounces.